On Mahashivratri, India do the tremendous thing. India get the tremendous win, massive win over Pakistan. How many runs? 61 runs. Yes, India defeat Pakistan badly with 61 runs. Unbelievable. And massive win. First India can bat it first. And with Ishan Kishan make 77 runs. Just 14 deliveries. 77 from 40 balls. After Ishan Kishan, Captain Suryakumar Yadav, Shivam Dubey and Tilak Verma shaped the Indian inning, and Indian total reaches up to 175. From the first ball, Pakistan is not in the game. Their wickets fall regularly and all Indian bowlers ball well, all get the wickets, and finally Pakistan lost the match, T20 match, by 61 runs. So this is a massive win on Mahashivratri. India and Indian players get the blessing of Mahadeva. So share this happy news at Mahashivratri. Now there is a Shubh Murta is very close. So share this news to maximum beauty, maximum cricket fans. And if you like the information, subscribe. Share Har Har Mahadev. Thanks.